In the depth of the ocean, where the sun's light never reaches, a hidden world thrives in the crushing darkness. Here, in the cold, unyielding pressure, life exists in forms we can barely imagine. Every inch of this vast expanse is filled with creatures that have never been seen by human eyes, their movements a mystery, their survival a marvel of adaptation. The water is thick with silence, broken only by the faint hum of the submersible. In the depths, time moves differently. Ages pass unnoticed. Life has learned to endure where nothing else can, adapting to an environment so extreme that it seems alien. In this place, the rules of the surface world don't apply. No light, no warmth, only the strange glowing creatures that pulse in the dark, weaving through the void.